All right, what is up, trading table? Welcome back to another trade recap. I'm making this right away after I took it because I don't feel like making it later. All right, so took a win today on NQ. It was pretty textbook, even though there was a lot of drawdown. I think I know why there was drawdown, so I'm gonna check this recap. As you can see, I literally like 3 minutes ago hit my take profit. I'm also going to explain why I don't have my take profit up here, this London high, or maybe even up here, or maybe up here, or maybe. All right, I'm explain that in just a sec. All right, let me take everything off the chart. Let's start from scratch. So, coming into today, I woke up late. My alarm went off, and I just closed my eyes and went back to sleep. I hopped on the charts like fucking 9:29. So I actually know when I opened my chart, it was 9:30, and this candle just started forming. So yeah, if you look at the time, I woke up 15 minutes ago. Whatever, took a win anyway. I don't really like doing that because like my brain doesn't really function, but I put some cold water on my face so my brain would like lock in. Anyway, all right. So on the 1 hour, we had this bullish for value gap made during Asia, I believe. During Asia, right? Boom, bullish 1 hour fair value gap. Pretty sure there's a 4 hour as well. Yes, there was a 4 hour as well. I was going off the 1 hour just because I liked it better. I liked how price had already reacted to it. But yeah, damn, we like ticked into the CE as well. It looks kind of looks like we like bottom tid it. But yeah, so we had a 1 hour bullish for value gap. That wasn't the whole reason why I was bullish though. Another reason was because what was it again? See, this is what happens when you just wake up, bro. I don't remember why the other reason I was bullish. Was it because we swept out Asia? Yeah. Oh, okay. So we already swept out all this liquidity, all these highs here. This high, this high, this high. We didn't sweep out this high, but that could be your draw. Just because we swept out all of these highs in here. We swept out yesterday's high. We swept out Asia high. And then London session actually reacted to it, as you could see here. Give it a second to load. The times are like I like highlighting it. Like it just is easier. So as you can see, we swept it out, and then London session kind of reacted to it and sold off a bit. Right? It'd probably look better on the 5-minute. A little less manipulation stuff. But yeah. I don't know why this shit is taking so long to fucking load, bro. All right. Yeah. So as you can see, swept it. We had a reaction to it, and then we came back up. London made its own high, which I actually really liked. Kind of taking out all of this again, right? This high took out all of this again, whatever the hell this is up here, reacted to it, and then we came down and we took out London low. It was so beautiful. This is like the best price action I've seen in so long, and we're still continuing up. But yeah, I'm gonna explain why my take profit wasn't higher because typically it would be. A little hint, you could see kind of all of this bearish displacement. You don't really, I don't know. I wasn't really wanting to trade against that, and also what ES was doing made me not want to trade against that as well. So this trade, right? I entered off an IFVG, right? So we came down, we swept out London low, right? With that sweep, we made an IFVG. This is probably like my S tier setup. Like when we come down, sweep out liquidity, that leg makes an inverse for value gap. And then we immediately inverse it. But I believe that the 2-minute had a gap. Oh shit, the 2-minute did not have a gap. So I don't know. I honestly don't know why price dumped right away after. That was a little bit weird. But here was like low key. Like this was the key to this trade. I'm gonna show you guys the key to this trade, bro. The key to this trade, if we zoom out a little bit, look at what we have here. Crazy SMT. So this was the candle that took out London low. This was the candle on yes. First of all, we have a like a low time frame SMT right here in itself, right? And then here. And then we also have a bigger one where we had London low, we took it out. ES failed to do so, making this a protected low. So my stop was actually really, really fucking big today. And because this candle kind of dumped, I actually entered like more at the CE. But just for whatever's sake, let's just say we entered at the normal spot. 24-point stop. Normally I don't like doing that, but it's not that I don't like it. With my model, I guess the highest stop I run is 30. Anything over 30, bro, I'm like, all right, bro. All right, I'm not risking over $600 on one contract. All right. And then take profit was based off of a 5-minute fair value gap, which we actually just inversed. Or was it a 15? I believe it was a 5. Yeah, this candle wasn't closed when you know, it was based off of the first bearish for value gap right here. So it was basically like a 1-to-1. For me, it was more like a 1-to-5 because of where I entered. And yeah, the reason I didn't want to go higher is because look, ES already it was like already moving like right here. ES was so close to taking out London low, and then it ended up, or I mean, sorry, London high. So ES ended up taking out London high, which makes an SMT in itself. And I really don't want to trade against an SMT. Obviously, there is the off chance that like NQ will like still like move up and whatever, and price won't reverse. But to be honest, after getting break even yesterday, and then I didn't post a video Monday, but I also got break even Monday, I believe. Did I get break even Monday or did I take a loss? I don't remember. I think I either got break even or took like a 5-point loss. Like I moved my stop super tight, which was all within my model. It wasn't like I was trading wrong or anything. But um, yeah, it's just like two unfortunate, like wicked out like events. So yeah, I look, you needed a win for this week because why would I not want to take a win this week? Like what? So yeah, just this is still following like my model. It's not like I'm forcing a win, but it's more like I'm being more conservative. Could I've had a fucking 60-point take profit that would have been hit? Like yeah, sure, but like no, I don't really need that. Like I hadn't here. Let me. My specific entry was okay. Sold at 117.50. Well, yeah, obviously no shit. I wish I could see where I entered. I'm pretty sure it was a CE. Uh, damn, it might have even been lower because I remember it was like a 1.45 RR or R. That might have been it. Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that was my exact entry. Just based off like the R. Um so yeah, that's why I didn't obviously could have would have just hit the take profit, but it's cool. I don't mind. 30 points is more than enough. And that's just within my model. That's what I like about the model I trade, the inverse or I get model. You can kind of choose your targets uh based on like how price is moving, right? So we had all this bearish displacement. We had a bearish 5-minute value gap. Obviously, we could be entering like a buyer's program here, but a little like V-shaped recovery. But like to be honest, bro, like what am I gonna do with 60 points in a trade? And you know how pissed I'd be if that shit reversed and I got break evened out again, and then it ran up to take profit, bro. I'd lose my mind. I would kind of be pissed. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, SMT and the bearish displacement, I'm good off that, bro. I'll take my 31 points. The drawdown kind of sucked ass. So this wasn't the cleanest trade ever. I really don't know how we inversed and then immediately dumped to the downside. But yeah, the trick here was like it might like look weird. Like some people might put their stop here. Oh, I can do a 2-point stop. Or oh, I could do candle body, or I could do this candle body. No, you want to do the you could have done this candle actually. This was the protected low. Well, not too protected, but I did this one just because we weren't gonna make it do low. SMT made it protected low, and then we went up. Yep. So yeah, pretty clean trade today on NQ. Yeah, and that's all. I'll catch you guys in the next one.